To enable or disable always on display in Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to look for the options with lock screen and AOD, and then there's always on display. Now you'll be able to deactivate or activate this option, and then you'll be able to customize it. So depending on what you have, there will be different customization options. In this case, I've downloaded custom AOD from Galaxy Themes. You can do it as well. Just watch my video on how to get custom AOD. And then you can also enable to show your lock screen wallpaper in AOD. You can also erase the background. That way only the prominent object or person will be visible. And you can also use navbar. I've also explained navbar in my other video on how to use it, so you can watch it if you like. Then lastly, you can change the behavior to tap to show. That way if you tap, it will open always on display. Auto, which will automatically open it. Always, which will always make always on display visible, or as scheduled to put it on schedule, or display it only for new notifications. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.